negative, that one was positive, so they cancel. Lordy, Miss Albers, Lordy. So we got a half, and all this jazz. So we have a half times all of it, so I'm going to distribute, and I get a fourth ln of x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus a half arctangent of x. So we have to remember our old rules of ln. Well, you should say ln you want to try and rewrite first. So you rewrite as x plus 1 minus a fourth ln of x minus 1. So derivative of ln is u prime over u. So u is this, so the derivative of that is 1 over u, which is x plus 4. And we have that fourth, so we're going to take it times a fourth. Here, our u is going to be that, which its derivative is also 1. So we get 1 over x minus 1, and we have the 4 that needs distributed there. Arctangent's derivative is u prime. So u prime, u is x. So u prime is 1. So we have that half that's going to follow us. So we get 1 over. On bottom, we get 1 plus u squared. And you can distribute the half if you want. Try this one on your own. You should say the first. You have to do the product rule. So you get 1 for arc sine. You get 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Crisscross, so you get x over 1 minus x squared unsquared. Arc sine times 1 is arc sine. For this part, you have to do u to the half, which is a half u to the negative half, and u is 1 minus x squared, which is negative 2x. So if we multiply, we get a half. On bottom, we're going to put the u to the half. And on top, we're going to put that negative 2x. What happens with the negative 2 and the 2? They cancel. So you just get negative x. Well, notice, again, like the arc sine one that we did before, the front and the back cancel. So you're just left with arc sine. And you're done. Alright, so here we have 8 arc sine x over 4 minus another quantity. So let's just focus on the first part, since there's a subtraction symbol. So arc sine of x over 4, so u is a fourth x. So du is a fourth. So we have 8 times arc sines is u prime over square root of 1 minus u squared. Okay, that 8 and that fourth you can multiply and you get 2. And there's your answer there. Okay. This back part, we have x times that quantity, so we're going to have to do the product rule. I'm going to put that as a half x. So I'm going to say my first is a negative half x. My second is 16 minus x squared to the half. So derivative of the first is negative half. Derivative of this, you have to use u. So we get a half u to the negative half. Derivative of u is negative 2x. So we're going to multiply. So we get 1 over 2 times u. And then on top, negative 2x. We should see that those cancel. So you just get negative x. Alright, so if we crisscross, we have negative half x times negative x over that. So we multiply our tops and we get positive x squared over 2 times 16 minus x squared to the half. Here you crisscross and you get negative half times 16 minus x squared to the half. And you're done. Alright, here we got arctangent x plus x over 1 plus x squared. So since there's plus, you look at the first part, and then we'll look at the back part later. So arctangent x is u prime over 1 plus u squared. This back part, we got to do the quotient rule. So low is 1 plus x squared. High is x. Derivative of the low is 2x. Derivative of the high is 1. Crisscross, and we get 1 plus x squared minus crisscross 2x squared over the bottom portion squared. You can simplify this top to just 1 minus x squared. And that is it for notes on this section of inverse trig derivatives. Please come with questions next time.